Hi, this is Adrian from Fusión Latina. And I have friends in this country that are parents to kids or teens like Sofía, one of our Fusión Latina personas. Sofía is 15 to 22, bilingual. But when she came to this country, she was much younger. She was facing the barriers of learning English, of going to school in which she wasn't understanding the language. But since she was a kid, she could, I would say, easily acculturate. And now Sofía, it's an amazing bicultural person that can deal perfectly well on both the American system and society and culture and keeping her Hispanic roots, not only at home but with friends as well. People like Sofía are part of our Fusión Latina weekly reach, physical reach on fields. But also, they are part of our first party data. And it's a total different target, like the previous one that we show you, like Jose, Juan, Pedro, Ana, Maria. So, if you want to reach Sofía, if you think that your brand wants to reach consumers like Sofía, if you're part of an agency and you have clients that want to reach people like Sofía, contact me. But download the white paper first. You'll find the right demographic, technographic, psychographic information. What moves Sofía in? Barriers, media consumption behavior, industries that are key for reaching Sofía. And why Fusión Latina is the unique platform to reach people like Sofía.